Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the analog stick drift on your Xbox Series X controller. So if you find out that your analog sticks are not working perfectly, you can use these methods to fix that particular issue. So the first thing you might need to do is just spin these thumbsticks in the clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise directions for a couple of times, so that in case if there's any debris left in, they can be easily removed. Another way is by popping out, pulling the thumbsticks out. So you can pull that thumbstick out and then press it in, pull it out and then press it in. So you can repeat the same process for a couple of times. So you can do that for the left stick, and also you can do that for the right analog stick. So do that. So until you feel like it's okay, it's working properly. And then once you're done, you can also press them in for a couple of times. Press them in. So this actually basically removes any debris that is typically stuck underneath these thumbsticks. So do the same until for like 10 to 15 times. And then once done, now you can either use some compressed air and blow some air inside these thumbsticks. So you can do that for the left and the right stick. But if you don't have a compressed air product, now you can just simply blow in some air using your mouth. So those are basically the ways in which you can use to fix any analog stick drift on your Xbox Series X controller. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.